Hey guys, it's future Gladys here, and I just wanted to come on here and quickly say that I wanted to apologize in advance for this video being over a year late. That's on my doing because I'm the editor. But even though it's over a year late, I didn't want to not upload it because it's a pretty good vlog. So again, I'm very sorry about that, but there's been a lot going on, but I'm finally getting around to uploading it, so hope you guys like it. It's been a long time, but it probably won't seem like it on our channel. But it's Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Yeah, happy Halloween!
Hey guys, and your other regular in this channel, I'm in the name. You just gotta look at the name.
My brother, ladies and gentlemen.
That's Alan. You've seen him in our last...
In one of our vlogs?
Second video?
Second or third video you've seen him? But yeah, that's Alan. In case you didn't know him, he's my brother. And Ninya's friend, so yeah.
Tonight we're gonna do some interesting stuff.
We have some pretty cool costumes, so stay tuned for that. And we're going bowling. We're gonna do some karaoke, and we got some alcohol.
Yay!
And we're gonna do nachos as well tonight.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna be fun. And I have to teach today, so they're gonna watch horror movies while I teach.
We're gonna watch Paranormal Activity 4 and The Grudge. Ugh.
I'm not watching with them because I'm teaching, and I couldn't watch with them anyway because I don't like horror movies.
Just stick those in the back, just so you know.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I tried to take it out of the back seat, but my bubble tea, guys, it spilled in the car. Not my mum's car. But
Clean it up.
I think Alan is. Because he's already gone back out there. But basically, she's sleeping over at my house tonight, and this is our first vlog of a sleepover at my house. For a change. So yeah. And then there's my candy bowl. Look at that thing. Like I'm still vlogging and you're just on your phone.
Oh no, Bella's in a photo.
Oh, but yeah, I went nuts on the candy, so probably gonna get fat. I don't even know. Anyway, we're gonna play Mario Kart or something.
Or something, yeah.
Yeah, so see you later.
See you soon.
Bye bye.
A few moments later.
You guys, it is freaking vlogging. It is hailing right now. Look. Look at that. That hail is insane. Dude, it's absolutely mental outside. There's Ninya. I'm vlogging it. Holy sheesh. It's all over the garden. We've never had hail this insane before. But it's big. It's absolutely huge. There's a massive one out there. I don't know if you can see that. Here, look at that. You see this? This is nuts! I don't know. This is nuts. And they're so big. What is happening? happening right now. I've never in my life experienced hail the size of freaking baseballs. That's how big those ones are at the back. And Ninya is slightly freaked out because her car is parked at her dad's house and it's not undercover. Right, Nen? So yeah, and our car is also parked up there too. That is really concerning.
Mom, your car's getting bombarded with hail. I don't know.
This is mental.
If I go out there, I might get...
I wouldn't suggest that.
It's calming down. But there's some... Yes. It's calming down, but there's some pretty big ones out the backyard. I don't know what ones to tell them.
This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. Anyway, just thought we'd update on that on a vlog. So yeah, bye.
Hey guys, we're back and we're doing our makeup. He's Alan.
That's my attempt at trying joke for makeup. I still have the lips to do.
And I'm a cheerleader with Gladys.
I'm not done yet because I'm doing Alan's makeup.
So we're just doing our makeup here. That's Alan trying to be a
He
joker.
doesn't even have the lips yet, so it looks weird. Alan, can I please see a photo?
Okay, wow.
Can I please look
Thank
at the
you for
picture?
your entertainment, Alan. So, we're just getting ready to go out to go to Garden City and go bowling
Okay.
in about an hour, and we're just still getting ready slowly.
Make it point up.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so
Make sure it's...
yeah, this is a short
Thin at
video,
the
like
points.
clip. Anyways, I'm usually not holding the camera, but here's my outfit. Ooh, Glee outfit. Close up of Alan. We'll take more videos later. Bye.
Hey! Currently bowling right now. There's Ninya.
Go.
cheerleaders.
Whoa!
Oh, nice!
Go.
My turn. Good luck.
Alright. Here comes Gladys. Okay. Ready? Okay. So we're out bowling, obviously. Last minute, luckily we got our lane and we started playing on time. Oh, nice one. There you go.
It's Alan's go and he disappeared. Huh?
Take some photos of me.
Okay. We'll catch you soon. We're gonna have some fun bowling. Stay tuned for some clips. Hi everyone. Kinda sound tired. But we're home from our adventures tonight. Sorry we only vlogged at bowling. But I kept running out of time to pull out the camera. Because it was kinda hectic. But we had Macca's for dinner. And I need to turn it that way. we had Macca's for dinner and we went to Time Zone and played laser tag. That was pretty fun. And Ninya's over there.
Hi.
She's just on her phone and playing on a Switch. And I'm about to play on my Switch and we're probably gonna have like a drink and chill. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. So we'll see you in the next clip. Bye bye. Hey besties, it's Gladys again. Just wanted to come on here again and say that we didn't manage to film an outro because it got hectic the next day. So I wanted to do the outro now. So thank you guys for watching the video. We hope you loved it and enjoyed it. And we hope that you all had a good Halloween last year. Yeah, even though it was already over a year ago. And also a good Halloween this year as well. We hope you all stayed safe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell. And we will see you in our next video. Besties out.